Everyone, we're here in our new apartment. We chose the hottest day to move in. What is it, 102? Something like that, but it's hot, that's why we're sweaty. But I just wanted to do a quick empty room tour before we bring everything in. So let's just share with you guys what our new apartment looks like. So this is the entrance right here. And then, oh, I need to focus, there you go. And then this is like the blinds to our little patio outside. We'll go outside right now. And then this is the living room area right here. Then the TV will probably go here, right? Then Cody is standing in the kitchen, well, where the dining table would go. And there's a nice fan. And then this is our kitchen. Excuse our mess here. So yeah, there's like these big cabinets here.
Slam it.
Oh yeah, and they're slam proof. See, and then it'll just close on its own. And there's our fridge. Our countertop's full right now. Stove, microwave right above. The oven.
Oh, we get these cool little drawers. You need like a ladder to
Well,
get to?
I do because I'm only 1. Oh, that one is nuts.
Oh, that's the opposite way. Yeah. Slam proof, the right way.
And then right here is more cabinets, the dishwasher, and this big sink.
Nice sink.
And then there's this door right next to the kitchen that isn't fully closed right now because I'm gonna open it. But it is our washer and dryer. We really wanted to find one that had a washer and dryer because our first apartment had that and we just got too used to it and we didn't want to like go to do our laundry anywhere else.
We're spoiled.
And then, so then we come here. Cody, want to show them the random little light? Anybody know what that light is for? Let me know, because that's just so random. I've never seen that, but yeah. Okay, so this is our room right here. We did only get a 1-bedroom this time because it's more expensive out here. But it's a really good size still. We're gonna make it work. So yeah, this is our room. I'll stand in the corner so you can see. A pretty decent closet. I mean, not for how much clothes I have, but
No,
I don't
not
think
for how much you have.
I don't think any room has enough space for how many clothes I have.
No, we didn't even have enough in our other.
But luckily I have like 2 clothing racks that I could improvise with. And then there's a little window right there. A door. And you can see the closet size, and it's kind of dark in there. But it's a pretty decent size. And then we move on to the restroom.
Oh, jeez.
This is the bathroom. I'm walking too fast for you guys, sorry.
Stop walking so fast.
I'm just too excited. Okay, and then it's the little medicine cabinet. Oh, wrong way. Medicine cabinet. A big mirror. I'm gonna take selfies here. And then it has pretty good storage underneath the sink here.
Yes, it does.
Are these slam proof? Is everything slam proof?
It's just kind of like stiff, so yeah.
Okay. And then our bathroom. It's pretty good, guys. We're excited, aren't
They are
we?
slam proof. Yes, we are.
They are slam proof?
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much our apartment, guys. Oh! He just hit the camera. Anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little room.
Nice to see you guys again.
Oh yeah, Cody hasn't been on the channel in a really long time. I think since we were looking or we were going to his medical school interviews. But yeah, that was our empty house apartment tour. Good morning, guys. Today is unpacking day number 1. We got a good breakfast to start our very long day. Cody's already eating because he's starving, and I'm starving too. But I just wanted to show you our food. We tried a local restaurant, and we just looked it up on Yelp, and there's like the one that was rated number 1. And I got chorizo and eggs with rice and beans, and then Cody got a breakfast burrito.
Boom.
With a side of fruit, which makes me feel guilty for getting rice and beans, but I don't really care because I love food. Anyway, so yeah, we're using a pillowcase as our little mat for our food. And it is going to be a long day of unpacking, but so excited to get our place looking together. Okay, we finished eating, and now we're going to start unpacking, and I wanted to show you guys the craziness in this apartment after unloading everything we packed. So, let me see. So like I said, this is the door here, and then this crazy filled with boxes everywhere. It's Cody's gaming chair. The couch is somewhere underneath all that mess. Then boxes and boxes. Clothes and boxes.
All of them say this right here. Eve's clothes. All of it.
I think more than half of those actually say that, but I'm not ashamed. I love clothes. What can I say? So yeah, this is our current situation, and let's see how much we can get done in one day for now. So we gave up on the living room real quick because there was way too many boxes where we didn't know exactly where they would go yet, because there's so many boxes in the way of the actual furniture. So we're gonna start in the room because, like I said, a lot of those boxes are actually my clothes. So it'd be easier to just unpack all the clothes and it'll be less boxes in the way. So just letting you guys know that's what's happening now. Alright guys, we're back to unpacking day 2? Day 2. And I think we did pretty good progress yesterday on our first day.
Pretty good.
And I just showered, so my hair's wet. And we're gonna hit the bathroom today because it's too many boxes in the way every time we try to head to the bathroom.
Got a lot of cuts on the legs.
Yes, I did. So it's time to tackle this. So many boxes. There are 1, 2, and then 1 in the hallway.
2 more.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we have. Because we used to have 2 bathrooms before, so I think we have way more things than we actually need because we only have 1 bathroom now. Hi guys, we are on day 3 now of unpacking. Yesterday was another long day, but we actually did really good. We unpacked a lot of stuff, and Cody is back to studying. You can see him. I appreciate him taking 2 days off to help unpack. And that's the progress we've made. You can see there's way less boxes than there was. And I'm gonna make myself a matcha frap with this thing I bought from Smart & Final. And I'm gonna make that to start the day for me to unpack. Okay, I finished washing the dishes, and now I'm gonna tackle our room, which there's just a whole mess of my clothes everywhere. Wish me luck, guys. This is a lot of stuff to be done, but I will do it. Happy Wednesday, guys. Today is, what is it? Day 4 of unpacking?
Yeah.
Day 4 of unpacking. I just got back from I went back to Chino, which is our old apartment. I went to go pick up some other stuff while Cody had to do an online exam thing. So I got out of his way so that I wouldn't make any noise. So yeah, I just got back. We're about to eat lunch. It's spaghetti I made yesterday, but we always have so much leftover, which is so nice because then I don't have to cook today and we just have our leftovers. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after we eat and we'll see where our progress is in unpacking. But I actually did a lot yesterday. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I should show them how I folded everything.
You should.
Okay, I'll show you guys after I'm done eating because I really want to eat because I'm starving. I'll show you guys how I folded everything because I ended up folding about like 60% of my clothes so that it could all fit. So I'll show you guys after we're done eating. Okay guys, we finished eating and now I'm gonna show you guys the drawers of the way I folded it. It's actually like I've seen a lot of like YouTubers slash content creators folding their stuff like this, so that's where I actually got the idea from. And then I had also seen it on TikTok, which is probably the tutorial that I followed was from TikTok. So just so you guys know, and I'll show you guys the drawers right now. And I would really recommend folding your stuff this way because it saves a lot of space, which is exactly what I needed to fit all my clothes in here. So we will start here. I think this top one is all my denim. Just so that gets a little cut. But this is all my denim here. I actually was able to fit 20 pairs of denim folded this way. Oh yeah, the bottom is just my shorts and skirts that I just folded halfway like that because I don't have as much. So I just left those like that. And then up here is more like, they're not really denim other than those white denim, but like other types of pants, casual pants, and dressier pants that I folded this way here too. And then on this side, sorry, still a little messy in here, but on this side, I was able to fold my t-shirts that I wear over here, this way too. And here, I'm able to fit about like 10 to 12 t-shirts on each row. So there's probably like about 30 t-shirts folded here, which is super good, convenient for saving space. So I ended up folding all my sweaters and stuff there. And then more sweaters down here. I kind of color coordinated it. And then right here is more long sleeves. So yeah, I ended up folding all my long sleeves. Happy Thursday, guys! Today is day 5 of unpacking, and Cody and I did really good yesterday. Like, I'll show you guys right now how it's looking. But after he was done studying, he helped me finish unpacking, and we did the whole like entertainment section. And what else did we do? Oh, we stored a lot of stuff that we didn't need in our little storage closet in the patio, which was a lot of boxes that were taken out of the way, which was very helpful. And yeah, so I'll show you guys real quick our progress. So the kitchen's been done for a while. Don't mind that chair, we're just moving stuff out of the way. And then, so this is the living room now. As you can see, there's way less boxes. It's kind of dark.
It is kind of dark.
There's way less boxes. Sorry guys, it's dark. And then we could finally see part of the couch. And we're hoping that by the end of today, it would be the last day of unpacking, which we're so excited for. We'll have to rant about Cody for a second. So yesterday we were unpacking boxes. And what did I had put a pair of his scrubs in one of my boxes. So I told them, here's your pair of scrubs that I had packed with my clothes. Go put it away. And then, so later when we went to go have dinner, we've been eating on the bed because the dining table has been a mess. So we went to go have sandwiches in bed, and I go and I'm eating and I look up at the rack, at one of my clothing racks, and I see his scrubs like thrown over. Like, I'm gonna show you guys real quick because I told him put it away, and this is his way of putting it away. You guys can see. This is his pair of scrubs thrown over the rack. Like, why? Why? That is not putting stuff away. Does anybody else deal with that with their significant others? Like, you tell them to put something away, and their way of putting stuff away is just throwing it over something. And then I asked him, why did you just throw it over? He said, I don't know where to put it. And I'm just like, you find a place to put it, sweetie. Anyways, that was just my little random Thursday rant for you guys. Because Cody's testing my patience. I'm just joking. I love him still, guys.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, we'll keep you guys posted, and hopefully this will be the end of the vlog. I'm looking like a hot mess, but I just finished cooking. Yes, I have my little Central Park apron. Yeah, Cody is in school right now. I just realized the microwave was on. Cody's in school. I just finished cooking. I made something super simple. I just made this lemon pepper chicken with mashed potatoes and then with a side of veggies that just finished. And yeah, so we're gonna have, well, I'm gonna have lunch while Cody finishes his class because I'm starving. And we made a lot of progress already. Like, we got rid of a lot of boxes from earlier, as you guys saw. We finished the bookshelf. Can't really see, but yeah, really good progress. Happy Tuesday to everyone. And we haven't updated you guys in almost 4 days now because life got crazy. Hey, life got crazy. So what was the last thing we showed them? Do you remember? Oh, I think the last thing we said was like we were gonna have everything done, but then, oh, and then Cody's car had to go get fixed, and that was like a whole day thing. And then after that, oh, his mom came to install, or his mom and his mom's boyfriend came to install the TV for us because we weren't watching TV for almost like a week now. And then Saturday, I had a surprise bridal shower that my sister planned and Cody was part of too. And I don't think they know, but we've been engaged for 2 years now. I don't think I ever shared that.
I think we've shared that.
We did?
Have we not?
No, I don't think so. We've been engaged for 2 years now. I don't know, maybe you guys knew, some knew, I don't know. But we were scheduled to get married August 1st. But with the whole COVID thing, we had to postpone. Just like I'm sure a lot of brides did, but my heart goes out to a couple that has had to postpone because it's not easy. But anyways, we're supposed to get married August 1st, and we postponed the big party, but we're actually still gonna get married at my mom's backyard, a super intimate ceremony. So I can't speak. While moving, unpacking, and I also had to be planning like a little backyard wedding was really overwhelming, but I'm finally at a point where like I feel like I can breathe and everything's coming together. So just a quick little update to you guys, but yeah. And we'll show you real quick because we're pretty much done, finally. So we'll go ahead and show you guys the final product of our apartment. But yeah, there's no more boxes in the way, guys. It's so good. A little patio. We have to fix it up a little bit still, but yeah. It came along really nicely. And Cody started his clinical rotations already. Super proud of him. And then our room.
No boxes.
No boxes. Best thing ever. So yeah, this will be the end of our moving vlog. I think it's probably gonna be long, but I just want to share with you guys our new place. And yeah, so I'll end the vlog here, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day and are staying safe and healthy out there. And we'll see you guys on my next video. And I'm hoping to start making more fashion videos soon now that we've settled in. So see you guys.